Grooming is very important for long-haired cats because their fur tangles more easily than short coats. A simple, consistent grooming routine helps keep your cat's coat shiny, reduces hairballs, and lets you check for skin problems early. Brushing your long-haired cat 3 to 7 times per week helps prevent tangles and keeps the coat healthy. Use a slicker brush or a wide-tooth metal comb because these tools can reach through the thick fur without pulling too much on the skin. When brushing, start gently from the head and slowly work your way toward the tail, following the natural direction of the fur. Be extra careful around areas that are more likely to develop mats. When you encounter a tangle or knot in your long-haired cat's fur, it is important to work on it gently to avoid hurting your cat. Hold the base of the hair close to the skin while detangling so that pulling on the knot does not tug directly on the skin, which can be painful. If the mat is very tight or hard to remove, it is safer to cut it out carefully with pet-safe scissors or seek help from a professional groomer rather than trying to force it out. Trimming your long-haired cat's fur with a good pet hair trimmer is helpful for keeping them clean. Many owners trim the hair around the rear end to maintain good hygiene and reduce the chance of feces sticking to the fur. It is also useful to trim the fur growing between the paw pads because long hair there can cause slipping on smooth floors and collect dirt easily. If you decide to trim your cat's fur at home, always use pet-safe scissors or clippers and work slowly in a well-lit, calm area to avoid accidentally cutting the skin. Most long-haired cats do not need frequent baths because they are naturally good at keeping their coats clean through self-grooming. Bathing should only be done when the cat is very dirty or has a skin condition that requires it. If you do bathe your cat, use cat-specific shampoo. Make sure the water is lukewarm, not too hot or too cold, and rinse the fur thoroughly to remove all soap residue. After bathing, dry the cat's fur completely using a towel or a low-heat dryer, because leaving the coat damp can lead to skin irritation or matting. Hairball paw gel for cats is an easy way to promote healthy skin and glossy coat. It uses natural oils to lubricate the digestive tract, reduces excessive shedding, and promotes a healthy coat. This gel is petroleum-free and formulated with no artificial colors or flavors. It is important to take care of other basic hygiene needs of your long-haired cat. One of these is trimming the nails every 2 to 3 weeks to prevent them from becoming too long, which can cause discomfort, accidental scratching, or difficulty walking. With proper care and attention, your long-haired cat can enjoy a shiny coat and a healthy, comfortable life.